Hey everyone, welcome back to another CopyTrader Pro Tools tutorial. Today I'm going to introduce you to a brand new tool. This tool came straight from the community itself. Stiggian said, is there a guide to find wallets that closed and switched to a new wallet? So what happens so often in copy trading is that you find a fantastic wallet, they're making you loads of money, loads of wins, and then they disappear. You get the dreaded 0 Solana balance. So someone who was making you money is now gone. In the past, what you would have to do is come onto solscan.io and check their profile. You'd have to go to transfers, you'd have to filter out Solana for a certain amount and scroll through all of these transfers and figure out where they sent their Solana, leading you down a path of seemingly never-ending 0 Solana wallets, having to figure out where this wallet sent its Solana, so on and so forth, until you finally found where they are trading. Now, I don't know if you've ever tried this, but it's an arduous process, which can take hours, and within minutes you can have 15 to 20 different wallets which they may be trading from, 15 to 20 new tabs opened in your browser, and a real headache. Oftentimes, not getting anywhere and not finding any wallets that are actually trading. It's a real pain point in this copy trading community, and it's something that honestly I just never wanted to do, so I never did it because it was just too time consuming and way too overwhelming mentally to try to track all of these wallets and figure out what went where and to see if any of them are trading. So what we did, as we do, is we took a request from the community and we created a tool to make it easy. So if you come to copytrader.com with 2 R's and you sign up, you'll have access to all of our tools, and now including the migration tracker. So how this works is you put in any wallet address you were looking for, you set a minimum transfer and you set a maximum depth. This means how far do you want to trace where the Solana goes. We'll start with 3 and I'll show you why that matters. Click trace migrations and now it's done. So what this has done is connected to the blockchain and gotten the data to show where this wallet transferred its Solana and where all the wallets that received the Solana then transfer the Solana from there, and it will do this 3 levels deep because I selected a max depth of 3. So you'll see 82 Solana transferred, 0 active wallets. That means 0 wallets are actually trading at the moment. We can see some stats here that there's a large dormant wallet with 17,000 Solana. This may be his main wallet, or this could be an exchange. If the Solana eventually does flow to an exchange, it will be marked with a red warning button because then that's a dead end. That Solana is no longer trackable once it goes to Binance or MEXC. It means they're cashing it out, or they're going to send it, or they're going to exchange it, send that somewhere else to exchange it, and then send the Solana back to a new wallet, in which case you just can't track them. But most people are not that savvy. So let's scroll down to the migration flow. This will show the original wallet, the balance, how much he transferred out, and where they transferred it to. So there's 2 outgoing transfers from this wallet. I can confirm this in Solscan. If I came to his account, went to transfers, I could see that he transferred to this wallet here, and I can see that he transferred to this wallet 10 Solana here. So this will track all of the transfers in the last month that are greater than our minimum transfer amount. So that comes out to be 2 wallets. So you see that one here on the tree, and then the last one down here, and you can see that this wallet transferred out twice, once to this wallet and actually once to this wallet, which is up here, which is why you can see that line going from here up to here. And then this wallet transferred out to 1 wallet, which is this one, which transferred out to 2 wallets, or actually the same wallet twice, which is this one. You can open up the gmgn.ai accounts really easily. You see that this guy, he is not trading, and that is indicated by the fact that this is not marked as green. So if you wanted to go deeper and say, okay, maybe he sent the Solana 5 or 6 times to new wallets because he's trying to hide, we can do that. We can find him. Okay, so now you see a total of 648 Solana transferred, still 0 active wallets. Now you see 41 total wallets because we're going 5 layers deep. You can see a summary, and now you can see the tree. So the original wallet transferred to these 2 wallets as before, but now you see we have a much deeper look into the flow of Solana. So how this tree works is obviously of the first wallet and where the Solana goes, then the next layer where the Solana goes, then the next layer where the Solana goes, and so on and so forth. So here you can see he transfers here, and then this wallet transfers to a lot of wallets, and a few of those wallets transfer to some more wallets. And you can see that this wallet transferred even more money out, but we only went 5 layers deep, so we can't see where that went. So this gives you a really clear and quick look at the flow of Solana from your target wallet outwards to any wallets that it goes to, and then where it goes to from there, allowing you to potentially find their new wallet that they eventually transfer their money to, that they start trading on again. In this case, there are no active wallets out of all of these, and I've checked them all, and that is the case. So maybe this guy just transferred his money out and he's on vacation, or he cashed out, or any other reason. What's important is that I didn't spend 4 hours getting all this information. I got it in 30 seconds. So now I can move on to a new wallet, and maybe next time when my target wallet transfers his money away, I will be able to find him and he will be trading, and I'll be able to do that very quickly. Just note that when going above 3 levels deep, your wallet may be buying something or sending money to someone else, and then you may be picking up that person's wallet, and then you can start going down rabbit holes to a completely different trader's wallets. So you may find a wallet that is trading, but that does not mean that it was from your original target wallet. So always do your research. So that concludes this look into our newest tool. Check it out at copytrader.com, and I'll see you in the next video.